Herbs and spices. Powerful allies helping us fight the eczema. But which ones will help the most? How can they help us? And how to use them correctly? Here are 5 best herbs and spices to help you get rid of eczema. Turmeric, the golden healer.
Turmeric is widely known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to the compound curcumin. Studies have shown that turmeric can reduce inflammation and redness associated with eczema. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to your meals, smoothies, or even making a soothing turmeric tea. For topical relief, you can mix turmeric with a little coconut oil and apply it directly to the affected area. Just be cautious, as turmeric can stain your skin and clothes.
Chamomile, the soothing herb.
Chamomile is another fantastic herb known for its calming properties. It contains compounds like bisabol and chamazulene. These components help calm inflamed skin, reduce itching, and promote healing. Chamomile also has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent infections from scratching. Drinking chamomile tea can help reduce stress, which is often a trigger for eczema flare-ups. You can also brew a strong chamomile tea, let it cool, and use it as a gentle wash for eczema-affected areas, or use chamomile in a compress. Adding chamomile essential oil to your bath for direct skin benefit is yet another way to help your eczema.
Enjoying the video so far? Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. It allows us to help even more people. Calendula, the skin soother.
Calendula, also known as marigold, is celebrated for its ability to heal and soothe irritated skin. It's rich in flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation. Calendula can be applied topically as a cream, ointment, or oil to provide relief from itching and redness. You can also make a calendula tea and use it as a wash for the affected areas.
Licorice root, nature's cortisone.
Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, which helps reduce skin irritation and redness by modulating the immune response, similar to how cortisone works, but without any side effects. Licorice also has antimicrobial properties, which help protect the skin from infections caused by scratching. Licorice root can be consumed as a tea or used in creams and ointments. However, it's important to use it in moderation, especially for people with high blood pressure, as it can cause an increase in blood pressure levels.
Aloe vera, the cooling plant.
Aloe vera is well known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. It contains polysaccharides that help with skin repair and reducing inflammation. The cooling effect of aloe vera can bring immediate relief to hot, itchy skin. Simply break open an aloe vera leaf and apply the gel directly to your eczema patches. You can also find pure aloe vera gels in health stores. Just make sure to choose products without added alcohol or fragrances.
More videos are coming. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.